Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about dividing larger numbers. So let's revise a few terms related to division. We all know that the number by which we divide is known as divisor. The number that is being divided by the divisor is known as a dividend. The answer of the division is known as quotient, and if any of the number left at the end that cannot be divided anymore is known as a remainder. Always remember this sequence: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down while doing division with larger numbers or even smaller numbers. Now let's learn how to divide. I've got a divisor 3 and a dividend 75. Let's move to the first number. It's 7, and we must put a number under 7 that is less than 7 because ultimately we have to subtract it. So we all know that 3 goes into 7 2 times. So let's write 2 at the quotient place and let's multiply the divisor by the quotient. So 3 times 2 is 6. The next step is to subtract. Here we are going to put a subtraction sign and then subtract 6 from 7 and we get 1. When we get 1, we have to see if it is less or more than 3. It is less than 3. So now we have to bring down the other number, that is 5. So we bring down 5 here and we have got 15. Now we have to repeat this process again. And here, as we have 15, so we have to look for a number that is exactly 15 as a multiple of 3 or maybe less than 15. So we are going to write 5 in the quotient place. Now multiply 3 by 5 and you get 15 here. Now the next step is to subtract. When you subtract 15 from 15, you get 0. So there is no remainder left. Now let's see which of these calculations will leave a remainder and how do you know? So 775 divided by 4. How will I come to know that this will leave a remainder or not? If the last two digits are multiple of 4, it will not leave a remainder. It will be exactly divisible by 4. So just have a look at 775. Are the last two numbers multiple of 4? It means if you divide 775 by 4, you will get a remainder because the last two digits are not multiple of 4. Now let's have a look at these two digits and the divisor. If the last two digits of the dividend are multiple of 25 or multiple of 100, then it will be exactly divisible by 25. So let's have a look at last two digits. It is 75. So it means it will not leave a remainder. Now let's have a look at this long division. We have a divisor 4, dividend 75. So let's divide. The first number at the tens place is 7. And we need to put a number under 7 that is less than 7. So we are going to first multiply 4 by 1 and we get 4 down here. Then the next step is to subtract. When you subtract 4 from 7, you get 3. Now 3 is less than 4, so we need to bring down 5 to support 3. Now we have got 35. Is 35 a multiple of 4? No, it's not. So which number less than 35 is a multiple of 4? It is 32. So again, we are going to now subtract these two numbers. When we subtract it, we get 3. So do we have any number over here now? No. So our question ends here and we have got a remainder that is 3. So the quotient of this division is 18 and the remainder is 3. Jazakallah khairun for watching the video. I hope it will help you a lot, inshallah.